Okay. So those are the examples on how you get the most out of your money, or getting a good deal or making a good deal. Another example is yung law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay. So sinasabi ng law of marginal diminishing marginal utility is, as we consume more of a good or service, another explanation, okay, go back, law of diminishing marginal utility, or ibig sabihin, decreasing additional satisfaction na kukuha mo from pag naging increase yung konsumo mo ng isang bagay, yung unang-unang piraso na kinain mo ay yun yung pinakamataas sa satisfaction. So habang padagdag ka ng padagdag ng kinakain ng halimbawa pizza, yung satisfaction that you get from it is sa mga pangalawa, pangatlo, pang-apat, pang-limang piraso na pizza ay pababa ng pababa na. Unlike, at the same time, so ang sinasabi dito is habang bumababa yung satisfaction that we get from the every additional unit na kakainin mo sa pizza, ibig sabihin yung kagustuhan mo na magbayad for any additional unit ng pizza ay pababa rin ng pababa, since yung satisfaction that you get from it ay pababa ng pababa pag nadaragdagan yung konsumo mo ng isang bagay. Like example, unang pizza, yun yung pinakamataas ang satisfaction that you get. Then kakain ka ulit ng pangalawang pizza. So ibig sabihin, yung satisfaction that you get in eating the second pizza ay mas mababa na kaysa yung satisfaction that you get from the first pizza. Then kakain ka ulit ng pangatlo. Yung pangatlong pizza, ang satisfaction that you get is mas mababa kaysa sa pangalawang unang slice na pizza. Then you buy again the fourth. Hanggang sa naabot mo yung maximum satisfaction mo na busog ka na, ayaw mo nang kumain pa ng any dagdag na pizza. So, ang sinasabi niya is, habang you consume more of the same good, yung satisfaction that you get from consuming it is pababa. Ganun din yung kagustuhan mo ng yung gusto mong ibayad from any additional unit of the product is bababa din, because the satisfaction that you're getting from it is pababa ng pababa. Another of getting a good deal or making a good deal is allocative efficiency. So kaya nga sinasabi na allocative efficiency is because masusulit natin yung gamit ng kulang na resources natin, because pag sinabing allocative, ang keyword nito is allocate. Ibig sabihin, we use or allocate the kulang na resources natin sa pag-produce ng mga goods na yun ang gusto ng society na goods and services. Diba? So, we get the most satisfaction from the goods and services that we produce from yung kulang na resources natin. Kasi ang pinoproduce natin ay dahil na goods and services ay yung pinakagusto na goods and services ng ating society. Okay? Which is tayo ay kasali sa society, which are the household and people in the society. Okay. Now let's proceed also to the discussion of your consumer or producer surplus.